Welcome. In this video, we'll show you the best plugin for WordPress, AI Chatbot. You'll see how it works, how easy it is to set up, and how it can transform your customer support. Let's start by seeing it in action. Here's how it looks on your website. A small chat icon appears in the corner. When a visitor clicks it, the chat window opens instantly. The visitor can immediately start asking questions, and the AI responds with helpful, accurate answers based on your business. So why should you use an AI chatbot on your website? Let me show you. First, it helps increase conversions by showing products and engaging visitors. The AI can recommend products, answer questions, and guide visitors to purchase. Second, it reduces your support workload by answering common questions automatically. Things like order status, shipping info, return policies, handled instantly. Third, the AI knows your business inside out and gives personalized answers based on your website, products, and FAQs, always accurate. And finally, it works 24/7 in all languages, so you never miss a customer. Whether it's 3 a.m., a holiday, or a visitor speaking another language, your AI handles it all. So how do you get started? First, go to acintai.com and create a free account. Then navigate to your dashboard. It's just 3 simple steps. Once you're in the dashboard, setting it up is super easy. Let me show you. First, enter your website. The AI will pre-generate information about your business to make setup easier. Next, give your AI some instructions. Tell it about your products and how to help customers. You can also add extra knowledge, upload PDFs, paste URLs, or add any content you want the AI to know. Now test it out, ask questions, and see how it responds. When you're happy, just copy 1 line of code to your website. Need help? Our AI chatbot in the bottom right corner can guide you through it. You can review all the chats your AI has had with customers. Just go to Analytics and Chats. This is a goldmine for understanding your customers. See what features they want, what questions they have, and what's stopping them from buying. Let's check out this conversation. Look at that. The AI just closed a sale, all while you were sleeping. And what about the pricing? You can start with 100 free messages every month. No credit card required, just sign up and go. If you need more, the starter plan is perfect for smaller businesses getting started. Standard works well for medium-sized sites, and Pro handles high-traffic stores with ease. Have any questions I didn't cover in this video? That's a great opportunity to test our AI chatbot. See it in the corner? Click it and test how it works. That's exactly what your visitors will experience. Ready to add it to your website? Create a free account at acintai.com and follow the simple setup. Thanks for watching.